Imagine this. 10 years from now, you're living your dream life, financially secure, successful, and happy. Or, you're stuck, wondering where it all went wrong. Here's the hard truth. The choices you make in school right now will decide which version of your future comes true. In this video, we're exposing 5 school mistakes you absolutely need to avoid in your school life. These are not just mistakes, they're silent roadblocks that can derail your success before it even begins. Stay with me until the end, because mistake number 5? It's the one almost everyone overlooks, and it can haunt you for years. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. How many of you believe that getting top grades is the only way to succeed in life? Don't get me wrong, grades are important. But the first mistake is overvaluing grades and ignoring real skills. I knew a classmate who scored 95% in every exam. But when it came to solving real-world problems or communicating confidently, they struggled. Why? Because they focused solely on memorizing, not learning. Skills like critical thinking, problem-solving, and communication are just as important as academics. Whether it's learning to code, improving your public speaking, or mastering teamwork, these are the tools that will set you apart. And no, knowing how to copy homework doesn't count as a life skill. Ready for the next mistake? Let's move forward. Here's a wake-up call. Your health is your wealth. The second mistake is ignoring your physical and mental well-being. Think about it. What's the point of success if you're too exhausted, stressed, or sick to enjoy it? Pulling all-nighters, skipping meals, and ignoring mental health issues might seem normal in school, but it takes a toll. Take care of yourself. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious food, and prioritize sleep. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, talk to someone, a friend, a counselor, anyone. Success is impossible without a strong foundation of health. The next mistake is one that could quietly kill your confidence. Let's uncover it. Do you constantly check how others are doing? The third mistake is comparing yourself to others. I had a friend who was always focused on what others were achieving. It drained their energy, made them anxious, and held them back. Meanwhile, their peers, the ones they envied, were too busy focusing on their own goals to even notice. Here's the truth. Your journey is unique. Comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel is a losing game. Instead, focus on your progress and celebrate small wins. Compete with yourself, not others. Unless you're comparing who eats more biryani, then, by all means, go for it. Now, let's discuss a mistake that could cost you big opportunities. Here's a question for you. How many of your classmates do you think will be future CEOs, leaders, or entrepreneurs? The fourth mistake is failing to build meaningful relationships. In the real world, who you know often matters as much as what you know. But if you're isolating yourself or sticking to a small clique, you're missing out on the chance to grow your network. Be kind, approachable, and open to making new connections. Join clubs, participate in group activities, and engage with teachers. These relationships can lead to mentorships, opportunities, and friendships that last a lifetime. Speaking of opportunities, the final mistake might be the most dangerous one of all, the biggest mistake? Playing it safe. I once knew a student who had incredible talent but always hesitated to step out of their comfort zone. They avoided competitions, feared failure, and stuck to the safe path. Years later, they regretted not taking risks when they had the chance. Your 20s are the time to experiment, explore, and take calculated risks. Whether it's trying a new subject, joining a competition, or starting a side hustle, don't let fear hold you back. Even failures teach valuable lessons. So, what will you choose? A life of what ifs, or a life of I tried, and it was worth it? And there you have it. 5 school mistakes to avoid in your school life. Avoid these traps, and you'll set yourself up for a future of success, wealth, and happiness. Now, tell me, which mistake resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more life-changing advice. Remember, your school is your launchpad. Make them count. See you in the next video.